In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram password. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is backing out of Instagram itself if you have it open, and then go ahead and open up your device's settings. Once you're on here, just search specifically for passwords. Open up the Passwords app, and you may need to use your Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. But from here, just make sure that Passwords is turned on, and then select Open Passwords. From here, just search specifically for Instagram, and then you're going to see all of your Instagram accounts on here. Go ahead and find your account. Open it up, and then of course you'll be able to tap on your password, which you'll be able to view with, once again, your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your password. On an Android, or if you don't actually have it on the password section right here or on a Samsung phone, go ahead and open up the Google Password Manager, and you can do this through Google Chrome, and this is, or just Safari actually, and this is just going to be passwords.google.com. Log into your Google account, search for Instagram. It's going to be appearing here if it's like linked to that account. But if Instagram isn't saved in your Passwords Manager, open up Instagram and just tap Forgot Password and follow the reset steps. That is how you could view your saved Instagram password safely using your device's built-in password manager. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.